Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to make chocolate filled sandwich cookies. Melt some chocolate ganache. Arrange the biscuits on a plate. Take a glass and put the piping bag in it and pour the chocolate ganache. With the help of the piping bag, put the chocolate ganache on the biscuits and then close it with another biscuit on top. Leave the sandwich cookies as it is or coat the sides with sprinkles. Refrigerate for 30 minutes and serve.